it's Kelly, and I'm back with another video. And I have to apologize, but some of you saw a corrupted version of this video on Saturday, and you really couldn't see. I think you only saw half the layout, so I apologize for that. I don't know exactly where that happened, but fortunately, until after a video is completely up, I keep the original footage. So I had to go back and do the voiceover, but that's not such a bad thing compared to completely losing it. So this layout is going to use quite a few Bella Boulevard papers and some of their Christmas lines here. So the that background paper there is the Bella Boulevard Oh My Stars Pickle Juice stars, so it's a star paper. And then on top of that, I'm going to put this candy cane paper, and that is the Bella Boulevard Fa La La Candy Cane Cuties. And that paper kind of inspired this whole layout, and that's because it's about my grandkids last year were staying overnight with me on St. Nick's, which is definitely a Midwestern thing for sure. It's not as common in other places in the country, but St. Nick comes, I believe, on December 5th. It's been a long time, and I don't normally have children that I have to do this for. And he leaves treats and things in either your shoes or your stocking, depending on individual traditions. It varies. My son and daughter-in-law put it in the kids' shoes. In my house, it was in a stocking. So just so you know that. So then I mounted the photo on the heart paper from Bella Boulevard Bella Besties. It's hearts and ombre and bell pepper. And then I took that December cut apart card, and I wanted to feature that prompt. What do I want to say? I really wanted to feature that because it brings in a lot of the colors here from the papers. So that is from the Bella Boulevard Christmas Cheer collection, and it's the Daily Details paper, which is the cut apart paper. And now I'm playing with some pieces, some ephemera pieces here. And then I also am trying to figure out, I like this sticker, but I'm not quite sure if I want the sticker to go all the way across the entire layout or just across the top. So that border sticker came from the Christmas Cheer Treasures and Text. And then the ephemera that I'm playing with, all these die cuts here, came from the Bella Boulevard Santa Squad ephemera icons. And I think that's a newer collection, certainly not for this coming year, but it's one of the newer collections. And then this alpha here is again from the Christmas Cheer Treasures and Text, the same place where the other sticker came from. I like the alphabet. It's kind of fun. As this is fun. I didn't have kids, so I didn't get to do St. Nick's. So this was so cool when this happened that I got to play St. Nick's. So they got some smaller gifts and then a little bit of candy as well. And candy canes. So that's what made me think of the candy cane paper. So I'm having to MacGyver an N out of an M here. So that was kind of fun. I like how whimsical this font is because it's a story about kids. So whimsical is good. All right, so we got that there. So now I have that little piece of holly there. I have the little hedgehog. I have the little sack with toys. I'm not loving the toy sacks. The journaling paper came from a journaling card, a full 3x4 journaling card from me and my big ideas. I had a bunch of wedding cards left after I did my nephew's wedding albums. So nicely, they just have grids or dots on the back. So I just flipped them over, and that's how I use them now. And I like having those. Someday when I run out of those, I'll have to figure out how to get more. It would actually be worth it to me to buy a Mambi set just to get them, because I use them all the time. And then if I don't want them white, I can do things like add washi tape or stickers to them to customize them a bit. So there's the little toy sack, and now I pulled a snowflake from this set. Just kind of playing with this ephemera to get a couple of clusters in here. I'm liking my little hedgehog on the bottom. I am thinking about a tab here. I like the house idea because this is at my house. So I'm going to add that in there. Brings in a little pink from that December again. See how as I add colors, and then now because I have pink, I'm thinking about pink up here as well on the top left there, and I just add in that cupcake. I did make this layout, oh gosh, you're seeing this in September, but I actually did it in July. And so that was my last Christmas layout, and I had this layout sitting there forever. I don't know why I didn't get it done, but I had not gotten it done. All right, so then the pink just, I don't know, I was going back and forth. I wasn't loving that pink house there. I think it was too distracting as an icon there and just too solidly pink. Does that sound crazy? So I have this light and dark pink tab there. And so that's what I'm going to use instead. And so I still get that touch of pink there that I wanted to see. I'm kind of playing around with this little bird. Because he's got blue, and I don't have blue in any place other than in the December. So here I am trying to get some blue in. And that is a little, there's the Treasures in Text, Christmas Treasures in Text sticker sheet. Boy, that's hard to say. They have stickers. So that's where these are coming from. So that little phrase, and then getting that star in there. And again, it's bringing the blue in from the December because there's not any blue on here. And every other color is really kind of represented. There's blue, there's pink, and there's yellow and green and red. And so it just felt funny to only have the D in December being the only blue. So that's why I added that in there. And now it pulls everything together. I love how whimsical the Bella Boulevard Christmas collections are. And you can match these from year to year because I have 3 different Christmas collections on here. Yeah, 3 different Christmas collections. Oh, yes, 3 different Christmas collections. And then I have papers from 2 other kind of foundational kind of, one of their faux solid foundations as well on here. So that's 5 different collections, and they all work together. And that's one of the things I love about Bella Boulevard. They were one of the first manufacturers to do that, actually. They used to be made near me. All right, guys, so I added those all to new Tropical Forest enamel dots, and hope you guys are well. Be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.